If a jewelry store wants to sell a necklace for $179.95 next week at a 60% off sale, how much is the price of the necklace this week? Let's assume this week price of the necklace is X dollars. Let me write the stuff over here. That is this week the price of the necklace is X dollars. Okay, now to get the price of the next necklace next week, we have to decrease its value by 60% because the necklace will be sold at 60% off. Since we are going to decrease this week price X by 60%, we have to subtract the 60 from 100. It is 100 negative 60, then we have to take percentage times the value we are decreasing by 60%, that is X. Here I got the price of the necklace next week, but I already have it. That is $179.95. Now, to make the solving process easier, we can consider the integer which is close to this value, that is 180. So this value must be equal to 180. Now let's solve for X in this equation. When I simplify this one, I am getting 40. That is 40% times X equals to 180. We can write this percentage as a fraction. That is 40 over 100 times X equals to 180. Okay, here 20 goes into 40 2 times, 20 goes into 100 5 times. Then we have 2 over 5 times X equals to 180. Let me multiply both sides of the equation by 5 over 2. Let me do it. Then this 5 will cancel out. This 2 will cancel out. Here 2 goes into 2 1 times and 2 goes into 180 90 times. We get X equals to 90 times 5 is 450. Here I got the price of the necklace this week. That is $450. That is approximate price because we have rounded this value to the nearest integer. When I go over the answer choices, the value which is very close to this 450 is $449.88. That is the price of the necklace this week is $449.88. The correct answer choice for this question is C.